So we're told about a right-angled triangle and the perimeter is 72 centimeters. We're given the ratio of the lengths of its sides and we're asked to work out the area of the triangle. Well, you'll notice there's something missing. We don't have a diagram. So I would suggest we draw it. Okay, and here it is. Here is a right-angled triangle. And the ratio of the sides is 3:4:5. It's a right angle. There we go. Now, actually, we need to work out what the sides really are. I've put 3, 4, and 5 on there, but they're just ratios. So they're not the actual lengths. So let's write down that ratio, 3:4:5. And we're actually given the total of all of those things as a length. So we probably need another bit here, which is the total. The total of 3, 4, and 5 is 12. And now we know that the total length of the triangle, the perimeter, is 72. And we can see that in order to get there, we need to multiply by a scale factor, essentially, for this ratio. And 72 over 12, how is your times tables? It's 6. And so we multiply everything else by 6 as well to get the lengths of the sides, the actual lengths of the sides. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. And so I know now that the actual lengths of these sides are 18, 24, and 30. And now I'm in a position to be able to work out the area of the triangle. Look at the formula for the area of a triangle. It's a half the base times the height. Well, for a right angle triangle, that's even easier because the base and the height are just two of the sides. They're the sides at right angles to each other. So we can now just say the area is a half the base times the height. Put in the numbers, a half times 24 times 18. And all we need to do now is work that out. Well, we haven't got a calculator, so it's not quite as easy as it might be. But a half of 24, well, 2 into 24 goes 12 times. And so I now just have to work out 12 times 18. And if I were you, I would do that like this. I'd say 10 times 18 is 180. And I'd say 2 times 18 is 36. And then I would add these things together to get 12 times 18 is, well, 180 plus 30 is 210, plus the 6 is 216. And so the area is 216 square centimeters. And we're done.